4 advantages of mind mapping. There are various ways to brainstorm, plan, and organize your ideas, but one of the most effective ways is, without a doubt, mind mapping. Let's go over 4 advantages and how it can help make you more effective at work. First, if you are not familiar with mind mapping, it's a way of visually organizing your thoughts, drawing lines off the center topic or theme to associated ideas, then drawing additional lines off of those thoughts, and so on. There are many advantages to mind mapping, but our top 4 are: mind mapping will help you find better and more creative solutions to problems. According to research from 3M, the brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster than text, and visual aids improve learning by a whopping 400%. So by visually organizing your thoughts and ideas, you'll be able to process the information faster and more effectively. Mind mapping improves information retention. When you write down and visualize your ideas, mind mapping helps you retain information long after wrapping up your brainstorming session. You can retain 10% more information with mind mapping over ordinary techniques. Facilitate more effective brainstorming sessions with your team. Because mind mapping is a visual technique, it's easy for every team member to see their colleagues' thoughts and ideas, and be able to add their own ideas to the map. And finally, mind mapping will help you deliver a serious boost to your productivity. As mentioned, mind mapping has various benefits. It can help you find better, more creative solutions, help you more easily retain key information, and empower you to collaborate with your team. Thanks to these benefits, mind mapping will also make you more productive along the way. Now that you understand all the benefits of this brainstorming technique, all that's left to do is get out there and use mind mapping to your advantage. Integrify, making you more productive.